name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini's Show to Please Recipes. So today I'm going to show you how to make deep fried okra. I am using Caribbean spices with roasted garlic. Depending where you live, you may not find Caribbean spices, but you always can substitute with similar spices as how you like. So sometimes in some countries I know they call it lady's finger. However, so without further ado, let's get started. I know my friends always telling me I talk too fast. So now since I'm doing these videos, I try not to speak fast, slow as possible so that everybody can understand what I speak. So here we go. This is my deep fried okra. Truly very delicious. Just give it a try. Let me know your feedback. Till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye.